म्हाका थंडेच
कितें जालें आयज?
आमी भायरसून येताले येतना मातशें वारो मेवलो आमकां सारकी चोडी वोसाडेन लायलो तेका लायत आसतना गिरे पडली गिरे पडोन करून तेणें हात धरलो तेणें बांबो आनी लायफ जॅकेट सगळें हातीन आसलो सगळें आनी तो भायर पडलो उसळून भायर पडलो तर पासून 2 जाण पडले म्हाका भाव एकलो आनी तो माना एकलो दिसा आनी तो मातशें फाटल्यान चड फाटी आसलो तो चड उदकान पडलो आनी मातशें भाव मातशें आयल्यान पडलो एकल्यान उडी मारली लायफ जॅकेट घेवन तेका म्हाज्या भावा धरून हाडलो तेणें मागीर तो मातशें पयस आसलेलो तर पासून हांव गेल्लो लायफ जॅकेट घेवन तर तो हातीन मेवना.
Fishing canoe which had gone for fishing activity in the morning, while returning back due to the rough weather and rough sea condition, it flipped on its side. It didn't overturn, it flipped, and 2 of the crew members fell inside the water. They rescued one, but the other crew member they could not rescue, so he is missing at the moment. His name is Srikant Yadav. He is 25 years old. We have launched our interceptor boat to trace the missing person. In addition, we have also informed the Coast Guard to maintain aerial surveillance. I have also instructed the Drishti if they can try and locate the missing person. I have also kept the fire brigade on standby in case there is any eventuality that arises where we might require their assistance.